So today we are going to discuss about what is data science, what is machine learning, what is deep learning, and what is artificial intelligence. Right. So basically, what is data science? It is very simple. So generally, solving the business case using data, technology, algorithm is called as data science. For suppose, what is business case? So business case means generally, if an organization is facing any issue, they want to solve in future. That is called as business case. So if you're solving that business case using these three techniques, one is data, one is technology, one is algorithm, then it is called as data science. So basically, what is machine learning? So training the model without traditional coding is called as machine learning. So what is traditional coding? Traditional coding means everything will be predefined. We need to keep on updating everything. It is called as traditional coding. So what is machine learning? Training the model without traditional coding is called as machine learning. So basically machine learning will be three types. One is supervised, one is unsupervised, one is reinforcement. So what is supervised machine learning? What is unsupervised machine learning? And what is reinforcement learning? So generally supervised means output depends on input. When output depends on input, it is known as supervised machine learning. What is unsupervised learning? When there is no output, you will be having only input. Then this comes under unsupervised machine learning. What is reinforcement learning? Reinforcement means self-learning. So self-learning is done in reinforcement learning. So when it comes to data science, you will be using supervised and unsupervised as major part. So reinforcement will be used in deep learning and artificial intelligence. So now let's take an example of supervised machine learning. Right. As I said, output depends on input. Supervised machine learning means output will always depends on input. For suppose, let me take an example of house price prediction. So this is my place. This is my number of bedrooms. I'll be having one output as price. Place, bedrooms, and price. So the place is high-tech city. For 2 bedrooms, the price is 60 lakhs. For high-tech city, 3 bedrooms, the price is 70 lakhs. For high-tech city, 4 bedrooms, the price is 80 lakhs. So now what will be the price of high-tech city 5 bedrooms? So what will be the price of 5 bedrooms in the place of high-tech city? The price will be around 90 lakhs. So we are able to say this based on the previous information. That means the output of price is depending on the input of place and number of bedrooms. That means your output Y is depending on your input X. Then this comes under supervised machine learning. So it is very simple. So generally some people will say it's labeled data. We can also say it as output depends on input. Okay, right. So this is one of the basic example of supervised machine learning. When it comes to unsupervised learning, here you will be having only output. Okay, there is no any input. Right. So now what is deep learning? What is deep learning? So deep learning means the next evolution of machine learning, where it is inspired by our brain cell called neuron, which led to the concept of artificial neural network. So if someone asks what is ANN, you can directly say it's a concept under deep learning. From where did we get the ANN topic? It is inspired by a brain cell called neuron, so which led to concept of artificial neural network. So generally, in the previous topic about the machine learning, I said about supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, and reinforcement learning. These two comes under mostly for data science. Reinforcement learning comes under deep learning and artificial intelligence. Right. So what is reinforcement learning? Self-learning. To think self-learning, for suppose if you want to take any decision, you will be depending on your brain cells, right? The same way, deep learning and AI depends on reinforcement learning. Why are they depending on reinforcement learning? Generally, Reinforcement means self-learning. Okay. In data science, you will be dealing mostly with supervised and unsupervised machine learning. So what is supervised machine learning? If output depends on input, then it is called as supervised machine learning. When there is no any output, you will be having only input. Then it comes under unsupervised machine learning. So what is reinforcement learning? Reinforcement means self-learning. We can use in deep learning and artificial intelligence, right? So now let's once again revise from the beginning. So what is data science? Solving the business case using data, technology, algorithm is called as data science. So now the next question comes, what is business case? So what is business case? For suppose if any organization is facing any issue that they want to solve in future, then it is called as business case. For suppose, let me take an example for business case. So generally, for this example, I am going to consider my company. Our company is Arambh.AI. So Arambh.AI is facing profits issue. For suppose we are having the profits of 80% in the year of 2022. Okay, we are having the profits of 80% in the year of 2022. Our target is to reach to 90% in the year of 2023. That means the problem which we are facing is to increase the 10% profits from 80% to the 90% in the year of 2023. This is the business case. If we solve this business case using data, technology, and algorithm, then this can be called as a data science project. Mostly, many people will be having few questions. The question number one is, can we directly go into artificial intelligence without data science? From my perspective, it is not possible. The reason why, because as I said, machine learning is a backbone of for these three technologies. Might be AI, might be deep learning, might be data science. The backbone of these three technologies is machine learning. Machine learning will be the backbone of these three technologies. As I said, the first one is supervised machine learning, the second is unsupervised machine learning, and the third is reinforcement learning. So can you directly jump to the reinforcement learning without knowing the basics of supervised and unsupervised? So it is not possible, right? The same way, it is not possible to jump to AI without data science and deep learning knowledge. That means this entire course is interlinked. That's the reason to start a career in artificial intelligence, first of all, you need to go with the data science, machine learning, deep learning, and AI. This is a pattern, right?